Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful sleeves designing using the normal stitching needle, and it really gives rich elegant look, and also it looks like the cut work pattern, which is not exactly the same. I'll show you how to do it. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. So let's quickly start with this designing. I've given the markings of checks on the sleeve, which is of 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Firstly, I'll highlight the sleeve openings by applying the 3 lines of the glue to stick 2 different sizes of chain ball lace. Firstly in the middle with the bigger size, followed with the small size on both the sides. For every RA or the Maggam work pattern, we need to highlight the necklines and the sleeve openings. The same way you can also try this for neckline also. Now in the checks box, I will be leaving the center one and applying the glue dots like this to stick red color kundans of small size. This is the Zardosi I will be using, which is of gold in color and also bigger in size. And this is how we have to highlight these kundans, followed with the beads work of small and medium size. Firstly, I'd be inserting in the needle of this Zardosi in the circular shape like this. Holding it firmly, we need to give couple of stitches to stay in place, followed with the beads work of big and small in size. I regret for the inconvenience caused because due to technical issue the beads work designing I left, but it's so simple. Just join the golden beads of small and bigger size and stitch all over this kundan. The final outcome would look like this. And now I'd be using liquid embroidering cone of gold color. This liquid I'm putting in a plate and using the 0 size brush for the filling. And this is how the leftover gaps has to be filled with the gold color. You can also use any types of copper, bronze, silver, any types of metallics which is available in the stationery or the fancy shops easily for the fillings of this square shape. You can directly use the cone, but to get the filling equally to be done, use the brush so that you will get the nice and neat finishings like this. This is how we have to fill all the squares. This simple logic we have to get it so that we can make our work easy to do. This you can also try on your old blouses to turn into new. Remove the side stitches, fix the frame and follow the instructions which I am showing now. And this type of designer blouses is so simple, but we should know how to do it, and this is the logic way we have to follow so that we can design it easily. And now I'll be using gold antique Zardosi to highlight these square shapes borders. Place the Zardosi string exactly on the lines and give the overlapping stitches like this. The stitches which you are giving should be invisible, so use the thread which is invisible. Here I'd be using cotton silk thread which we use for the sewing of tailoring the garments, and this is how we have to give the stitches. All the lines has to be designed in this way only with the Zardosi string. And now I'd be stitching other sides of the lines which is small in size, and I cut off this length each and every Zardosi string. Just inserting in the needle, hold it firmly without stretching the string and give an invisible stitches. The final lookout would look like this, and the sleeve pattern which is completed, this is how it looks. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all because it really gives rich and elegant look. You must try this type of patterns if you are really the fashion lovers. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications whenever I upload without missing it. And